Today we're getting our furry house under control with our new cordless vacuum from Homika. We live on a farm, and our farm cat just had kittens. So we're extra furry now and need all the help we can get. So we were super excited to get this new cordless vacuum. It comes shipped to your door in a nicely laid out box. When you open the lid, you have your instructions, but if you throw away the box, there's also a manual inside. You can also find your HEPA filter, as well as your Aromatherapy tab. You have your crevice nozzle, a 2-in-1 brush that can easily adjust with just a click and a slide, a nice rotatable brush head with LED lights and a strong brush. Then you have your 200-watt motor. It has your dust bin, extra filters, and a large LED display. It comes with an expandable rod, a 2200 mAh battery, a wall mount, hardware, as well as your wall charger. Assembly is super easy. Slide in your extension rod, then attach your brush head or other attachments. Then grab your HEPA filter and Aromatherapy tab. Drop the tab in the bottom of the filter and then slide your HEPA filter to the back of the motor, and then rotate it to lock it into place. Power it on, and now you can leave a pleasant smell behind as you clean up the stank. We charged up the battery and it gives you a charging status right on the battery. And when it was fully charged, we went to go give it a test. Aside from the good smell, the first thing you notice are those bright headlights. But be sure not to miss any dirt or fur. Even in the dark, you'll clearly see those areas you need to vacuum. Next, you notice the LED display. It gives you a real-time update on remaining runtime, your floor brush operating status, as well as the power mode. It has a half hour of runtime, so it should give you plenty of time to do a quick house clean or a really thorough room clean, and then toss it back on the charger and wall mount for later. The rotatable brush head is awesome too. This allows you to easily sneak into those nooks and crannies. No fur is safe. I can clean everywhere now. With the different attachments and adjustable links, I can reach everywhere in the house. And make sure that we're fur-free so that we can breathe easier. I love a clean house, and I love this vacuum. It's helped me keep our house clean and has made cleaning so much easier. Since it's so lightweight, it's the perfect vacuum for a quick spot clean. It does a great job on hard floor and a pretty good job on carpet. It has a powerful suction, and we rarely have to use our big vacuum now. I can't stand being plugged into the wall, so this has allowed me to clean more frequently and help keep up with the house. So if you'd like a little help around the house from a strong and skinny, good looking, and a good smelling vacuum, then this vacuum might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go vacuum the cat tree. See ya.